love your kids and you would do anything for them, but right now your custody case feels shaky. And maybe your ex is throwing around words like unsafe or unstable, and you're wondering, am I at risk of being seen as unfit? Well, let's talk about what that really means in Illinois and how to protect yourself. I'm Jeff Hughes with Sterling Lawyers, and we've seen how quickly accusations, true or false, can quickly put a parent on the defensive. So in this video, we're going to break down what unfit actually means under Illinois law, and what the courts and judges are really looking for, and how to build a custody case that keeps your parenting rights protected. First, what unfit parent legally means. So being labeled as unfit isn't about being imperfect. It's a legal finding under Illinois law, and the bar is high. Under 750 ILCS 50/1D, a parent can be found unfit if a judge sees clear and convincing evidence that they can't safely or reliably care for their child. And that can include abandonment, ongoing substance abuse, serious untreated mental illness, domestic violence or cruelty, neglect or dangerous home conditions, and certain violent criminal convictions. But the courts don't look at one mistake in isolation. They look for patterns in how your behavior affects your child's safety and well-being. Now, there are certain red flags that raise custody risk, and here's what actually worries judges. Substance abuse that affects parenting. One incident, maybe not, but repeated drug or alcohol misuse, especially if it's documented by CPS, police, or missed visitations, can shift the court's trust. Untreated mental health issues. Now, just having a diagnosis doesn't make you unfit, but ignoring treatment, refusing medication, or showing erratic behavior that impacts your child's care, that can. Violence or emotional abuse. Now, even one credible incident of physical or verbal harm can lead to supervised visits or worse. Judges take any threat to child safety seriously. Another is chronic neglect or unsafe conditions. Now, if a child isn't getting medical care, food, sleep, or is living in an unstable or unsanitary environment, that's when neglect becomes ground for unfitness. Now, let's flip that around. What does not make you unfit? Now, let's clear this up because a lot of parents worry unnecessarily. Fighting with your ex over bedtime? Not unfit. Missing a few pickups because of work? Not unfit. Living with roommates that help you get back on your feet? Still not unfit. Judges know life isn't perfect. They are not looking for flawless parenting. What they are looking for is safe, consistent, protective parenting. What to do if you are worried about this issue? If something in your life is off track, now is the time to fix it. Not for court, but for your kids. Start documenting, use a parenting app, log pickups, meals, and school events, bedtime routines, communication with your co-parent, everything, and get support. If you're in recovery, continue going to therapy, take parenting classes, and document it and show the court that you are proactive. Stay calm, even if your ex doesn't. Save every message with your co-parent. Don't lash out. Focus on facts and not on emotions. Judges notice who stays composed. Now, what the court is really asking is this. Every judge comes back to this one singular question, and that is this: what is in the best interest of this child or children? That is defined under 750 ILCS 5/602.5, and that includes things like the parent-child relationship, mental and physical health, emotional stability, the home environment, and yes, even the child's preferences, depending on their age and maturity. If you are showing up, staying consistent, and making decisions based on your child's needs, the court is far more likely to see you as a fit parent. Now, what if your ex is trying to flip the script, twisting facts, weaponizing the kids, or making you look unstable on purpose? Well, in this next video, I'll show you how to push back and protect your case, especially if you're dealing with a narcissist in court. Click below and let's get tactical.